Talk about having a whole crew out here. People that I met a long time ago, people that I've just met now. I don't think I've ever flown with this many pilots before. Yeah! Rad FPV is tearing it up!
Burn that shit like a major laser. Earn that shit like major paper. I melt that beat like a fucking getter. But you know I do it fucking better. And you know I make her fucking wetter than Jaws in the water to restore me wetter than Calvin Harris to the opposing gender. Gore's got to know, so you better get her. She on that flow like Diplo. I gotta say coach, nice thick flow. Like Dylan Francis, like to get low. But like Son Home, I gotta say flow. I can make any beat just like Skrillex. I swear I can make Justin Bieber feel it. I can make King Tub really wanna steal it. Then I can make Scooter Braun wanna sign a deal with it.
Yeah, so what? Getting lit like we Will Sparks. And we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. We hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. About to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. About to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform.
I'm on so many levels like a beachy game. I can make that mouse spell his name. I turn up my speakers like the average actor. Where are you now when I need you, Jack? You, I'm all alone like a marshmallow. Haters trying to block me like a remix hello. Don't let me down with change smoke. Cause let's take a selfie, baby, get it closer. I'm a vet in this game, call me TS. To win just like Zach, working with the vessels. I'm just playing, let's be respectful. Under control of my man Alesso. I can make your girl sing Burger Machine. Yeah, DJ Snake knows what I mean. And Leslie, you know I'ma steal a show. Like Kygo's first see Firestar.
Yeah, so what? Getting lit like we Will Sparks. And we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. We hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. About to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. About to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform.
Nah, fuck that.